Step 1, I'm going to page viewer. This is a tool of Wikipedia. In blue, the time stroke page was read every month since July 2015 to November 2019. In green, diabetes, multiple sclerosis in red, epilepsy, Alzheimer's disease in violet, and cancer in brown. So stroke is right in the middle between epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. This is the monthly number of consultations. All numbers in Wikipedia are slowly going down since 2015, but we will focus now on language. Again, stroke page, mostly the English stroke page, which is this one, around 65,000 clicks in the last 10 days. Daily mean contacts 13,000. Russian, German, Spanish, French, Polish, Italian, I don't know. Okay, this is likely to be the Arabic one, which is the twin page of the English version. Let's use this term and let's go to Google Trends. Let's paste the word. I don't know if this is the right one. All over the world. Let's search from 2004 to present days. This is the trend. The volume of internet was smaller 15 years ago. Now the overall volume is increasing. Let's use, as usual, Ariana Grande as a benchmark. This means almost nobody searching in Arabic for stroke. Peak of interests here. In May 2015, again here top interest in December 2017. Mostly people in Iraq, Oman, Bahrain, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia are interested in stroke. Peak of interest with associated terms. Peak interest on related topics such as cardiac arrest, stroke, heart symptoms, and death. So I suggest you to speculate about these time trends, to repeat by yourself, to match other words in order to match the interest and to understand what happened here. Maybe a famous actor had a stroke. What happened here? This May 2015. These movements are not very significant because probably the volume of internet was really, really different. You can also include other areas. So Jordania, Algeria, Qatar, Morocco, and Egypt with lower interest. Thank you.